name is Owen. Stormy weather. How many kinds of storms do you know about? There are many kinds of storms. Which do you see where you live? Some days the sky is gray. That could mean a storm is on the way. A gray sky can mean rainstorms. You may see great flashes of lightning. After that comes a loud sound. That is thunder. Time to go inside. Thunderstorms may have strong winds. The winds can blow branches of trees. Balls of ice may come down. This is called hail. It can hail when it is warm or cold. Most hail is small. Some is bigger than a tennis ball. Some storms come when it is very cold. It can snow so much that you can't see. Strong winds can blow snow into big piles. This is called a blizzard. A tornado can. Some storms have extreme winds. Tornadoes are made of very fast winds that spin. The winds can pick up trucks and homes. Scientists have ways to predict when tornadoes will come. Then people can get out of their way. Thank you. Bye-bye.